Hi, Steve Draper here at my workshop in Bellevue, Nebraska. Today I want to talk to you about these adjustable legs and these fittings that go with your Shopsmith 520 or your 510 table system. And I want to show you how they work and how to use them. So first of all, I want to talk to you about the leg itself first. So for example, this leg here, it has a top on it. This is made for putting on the Model 500 table. Now it will work on these other tables as well if you want it to. The fitting on it will just fit right up in here, tighten the knob, and you can use this on these tables as well as on the 500. So I just want to mention that to you. Now on the fitting on the top here, we can remove this fitting and put different fittings on it. So for example, this one here that goes on the 500, to remove it, there's a set screw here. You have to have a 1/8 inch Allen wrench to remove that. And you just loosen that, and that will come right off. So all of the adjustable legs are just like this. It's just a matter of which fitting is put on the top here. Now to use the leg itself, it has a built-in function to lock it, and it's got instructions here on the side here, but I want to demonstrate how you do this. So for example, right now, if I want to lengthen it, I would take it and I would pretend like you're unscrewing the bottom here, and then it comes out loose. When you get to where you want it to have, you screw it back in like you were going to tighten it, like tighten a screw, and then it locks in place. So there it is, it's locked in place. If I want to now release this, I would just screw it the other way and it will release until I get to where I want it to be, and then you would screw it back in and it's back tight again. So that's how we adjust these legs. Now for attaching them onto the table, I already demonstrated to you, if you have the fitting for the 500, how you would use that. If you have the 510 or the 520, you will have one or two other different types of fittings depending on when your machine was made. If you have the 510 table, it more than likely came with this fitting right here. And this is really nice because the set screw on it is your 5/32 that you use on all the other things on your machine. And you just take it, loosen the set screw, it comes right off. And it's really convenient. Also, when putting it onto the extension tubes, it's real nice also because it just slides right on, just like that. And when you get it to where you want it to, if you get it, you want to have it fixed in position, you just use your 5/32. Tighten it there, and tighten it here. And it's firmly in place. It's not going anywhere. This is a really nice fitting. And Shopsmith used this fitting up until about 15 years ago. And then they changed fittings on there because they wanted to save some money. And they went to a less expensive and also a much inferior design of fitting. And that's what they use today on the Mark 7 and all the machines that they sell today. And that is this fitting right here. Now starting about 15 years ago, Shopsmith went to this less expensive option, and to put this one on, you have to have two wrenches. You have to have a 5mm hex head wrench and also a 10mm box end wrench. And these nuts that are on here are unique to this particular device. You cannot get them in a hardware store. And so if you lose this nut right here, this one here, your only option is to buy a whole entire new mechanism from Shopsmith. They do not sell the individual parts. So please don't lose this. Now, I have stripped it out. And in that case, I had to, when I stripped it out, I just had to buy a whole new mechanism again as well. So just be careful. Don't over tighten them, and just be careful when you do these. So the 5mm fits in here in this part, and the 10mm box fits on this end. Now these nuts are supposed to lock in place when we're using them, but they don't always do that. They're supposed to fit in the recess here so they don't turn, but half the time they still turn anyway. So just be prepared for that. So once you get this loose enough, this will fit over here, over your leg, over your adjustable leg here. So once we have that down on there, and I'm going to loosen this up just a little bit more, because I want to get this down on there completely. And depending on how loose or tight you have this will depend on how far it falls down in there. So getting it on initially, you want to have this part here going down to where this line is right here if you can, to get it initially. Once we get it there, then we'll start tightening that up. This side here is down a little bit too far, so I want it up a little bit further. Okay, there. I think I got that there. I looked out. See here, this flat here on this nut, if it's aligned with the flat indent then it will grab a hold so that you don't need the wrench. And so once we get that on there, we tighten this up so it stays in position. All right. Once we have that done, now we want to adjust the top part here. And this part here fits together. If we have it, there's a magic spot at which if you get it there, then it will slide on and it'll slide off. And then to tighten it into position, you'll put your 5mm hex here, hold the screw in the indent so it grabs a hold, and then when you get there, it'll hold into position. So that's how we put this on and off. There is kind of a magic spot. If you get it right at that perfect position, that you can slide it on and off and it'll still be pretty firmly in place, but that's up to you where you want to position that. So that is the current fixture that's put on the top of the leg. As you can tell, I'm not a great fan of this particular type of fixture for a couple of reasons. It is difficult to put on and off. You've got to have special wrenches for it. And so if you can find these here that were used by Shopsmith about 15 years ago, get yourself a set. They are wonderful, absolutely wonderful. I happened to come upon my set here just recently. I found someone who had a set that was for sale, but for those of you that have them, just hold on to them because Shopsmith doesn't use those anymore. Even though these are available out there from the company that made them, Shopsmith is not using them anymore. So hopefully this has been helpful to you on how to use the adjustable leg and the fittings, and we'll see you on the next one.